Hello, my name is George Rizzuto. I'm the CEO of West Boca Medical Center. It's understandable that you may have concerns about coming to a hospital during this pandemic. I want you to know that the health and safety of our patients and our employees are at the forefront of all of our decisions. In the face of the COVID-19 crisis, this commitment remains strong. I also want you to know that our hospital is safe to care for you and your loved ones. Many of our employees and physicians have chosen West Boca Medical Center for their healthcare needs. As team members at our hospital, they know the numerous procedures we have implemented and those that we have recently enhanced to ensure their safety, as well as the delivery of safe, reliable care to all of our patients. We hope that this helps give you the confidence that West Boca Medical Center is a safe place for you. So please, don't delay seeking the care that you need. In this video, Dr. Camil Sader, Chief of Surgery, is going to take you on a brief tour of our pre-admission process. This way, you will know exactly what to expect when you come to our hospital for your surgery or any other procedure.
Hello, I'm Dr. Camil Sader. I would like you to know that our hospital is safe. All staff are screened daily and have appropriate PPE. All patients are screened upon entering, their temperature is taken, and a mask is provided. We have limited entrances and visitors. COVID-19 patients are cared for in dedicated units in a separate and safe environment. I recently had to bring my own son to the emergency room, and I chose West Boca Medical Center. The care was exceptional, and I was personally moved by how every team member involved in our care was compassionate, caring, and safe. If I chose to come here to receive care for my own family during these difficult times, I sure hope that would give you the confidence to select West Boca Medical Center for all your healthcare needs. You will arrive for your scheduled visit at the hospital's main entrance. Please wear a face covering. Bring your insurance information, government-issued photo ID, and a list of current medications with dosages. You will be escorted to a secure registration area located in the main lobby where you will complete necessary forms. Some of your testing will be done in that same area. If other testing, such as X-rays, have been ordered, you will be escorted to that area to have them completed. The COVID-19 curbside testing process includes screening questions based on CDC guidelines and a temperature check. If there are no issues with the screening questions and your temperature is normal, prior to going home, you will be given a COVID-19 swab test per physician request. You will be given instructions regarding your surgery or procedure and provided information on CDC guidelines for social distancing and quarantine. We will communicate testing results to you and your physician and then provide further instructions based on direction from your physician. A registration representative will escort you to the preoperative area where you will meet your nurse and they will take your vitals. If you have a fever, recent history of exposure, or are having a high-risk procedure, your physician may request a rapid COVID-19 test. Our hospital will be able to provide one prior to the procedure. Given the circumstances, we have updated our visitation policy for the time being. For pediatric patients, one parent or legal guardian is permitted. For adults, we are allowing one visitor per elective surgery patient. Admitted elective post-op patients requiring family support may have one visitor remain in the inpatient room. No visitors under the age of 18 are permitted. Your family or friend may drop you off. Our staff will request their contact information, including cell number, when you arrive. When you are deemed ready for discharge, our staff will help you prepare to return home. You will receive prescriptions for any necessary medication and written instructions to follow at home. We will take you to the entrance to be picked up by your family member or friend. I would like to review some safe practices you can do prior to any visit to our hospital. Self-monitor your temperature daily. Practice social distancing and wear a face covering in public spaces. Wash your hands often with soap and water, at least for 20 seconds. And call your physician immediately if you have a fever, cough, or difficulty breathing. Thank you.